it doesn't tell you which tire it is. It has a built-in low tire pressure low, it says. So right now I can't even find out which tire it is. I gotta take guesses all the time. And this car, unfortunately, is as nice as it is, it's missing the basic components of even telling you the tire. My car keeps running out of air for some reason, and I gotta hit this because my car does not tell you which tire needs air. That's gonna give you exactly what tire is missing the air that is required. And this is how they go, right? You got RF, means for right front tire, LF, front left tire, and then LR, rear left tire, and RR is for right rear left tire. So we're gonna set this up, and they give you a little mount here that you can set it up permanently in your system, and you don't have to worry about batteries. But look at this solar panel in the front, and then you could always charge it and keep it powered through the left with type C. Forgot to mention that they include extra tools and the USB in case you need to power it up or it's running out of juice. And then also, like I said, they have different attachments, but we're gonna keep this permanent in our car. We don't have to take them off, but they give you a little different attachment if it's too short, too small, or too long, or good for attachment. So we're gonna set this up. All right, we just put in this patch here. Now we're gonna set this one up in here, if you guys can see that. So we're gonna remove the old ones, all right, the old caps. We got that in there. It's gonna give us a tire pressure, and then we're going to do the other one. Right, I don't even have to turn on the car. I'm just going to hold the power button here. 1, 2, 3. It comes on, and now it's going to tell you how much pressure all of them have. All right, so 31 is on the front, if you guys can see that, and it's going to start cycling all of them. 29, all right, the last one. So the front one needs tire air. One of them is really bad right now. I don't know which one it is, and it might be the one in the corner right now. So 33, 31, and 29. This one still needs air, so we're gonna wait for the last one to give us the actual. There it is, 31. So it's the front tire that needs air. All right, so the 29, we're gonna put it at 31 to 32. All right, so we know that this tire needs air. Once we got the maximum air that we need, take it off. So we got a beeping sound here. It's at 32 now. So we got 32 PSI on it, which is great. That's what we wanted to mark. So keep it here permanent. You don't have to drive around worrying about charging this device, worrying about taking all those caps off. Very simple. This is perfect for RVs, perfect for large vehicles, perfect for trucks too, but you're gonna have to add different footages. This is only for a 4-wheel car, all right, or vehicle. Solar built, you don't have to worry about the lights turning off or anything.